Lamborghini utilized no enchantment in making the Performante, only a useful and dependable philosophy of including power, evacuating weight, and enhancing streamlined features versus the normal Huracan. The first of those is to a great extent because of windstream enhancements, netting 29 more drive and 30 extra pound-feet of torque, for aggregates of 631 and 443, separately. The Performante's lower weight is the after effect of an improved fumes framework and more extensive use of Lamborghini's forged composite, a gum strengthened with short, cleaved carbon filaments. All edges and wrinkles, the smaller than normal Murcielago look is incredible on any Huracan. However, not even in the steamiest math-educated dreams does geometry look so great as on the Performante. Most of the back view comprises of intentional grille work for debilitating warmth produced by the 8,500 RPM V10, complemented by the magnificent dark marble appearance natural in-forged composites make. It's the unavoidable consequence of duplicating 443 pound-feet through a 7-speed double-grip transmission then through 4 Pirelli P0 Trophy Rs. Yet what happens when you connect with dispatch control unquestionably feels like enchantment. The Performante quickens so hard, you don't know whether your eyes are augmenting in light of the fact that your mind is urgent for more information or if it's just the G-powers pressing your eyelids profound into your skull. In any case, 60 miles per hour goes in 2.3 seconds, a change of 0.2 over the normal Huracan. After the gut punch dispatch, the quarter-mile whoosh is passed in only 10.2 seconds, and soon thereafter the Performante is howling past 136 miles per hour. So restricted is the focal point of the Trophy Rs that driving in the rain is honestly terrifying. Gotten on a twisting street in a deluge, we were beaten by a creature control truck. In any case, on dry asphalt, the grasp is shocking, with the Performante joining a world-class club, posting 1.11 Gs on the skid pad. Additional stunning is the manner by which the articulate evenness of the body plots with that hold to influence 1.11 Gs to feel so paltry. A prevent from 70 miles per hour takes 135 feet. What's more, in non-outrageous use, close immaculate pedal feel makes tweak simple. The air vents, entryway pulls, movers, and focus support trim bring the forged composite dark marble investigate the lodge, where it's encompassed by other extraordinary touches. From the flip switches for the windows and different controls to the complexity shading holes and striping on the seats to the contender fly style flip cover over the big and stop catch, the Huracan never gives you a chance to overlook that you're not simply in an auto, you're in a Lamborghini. There are disadvantages, certain. The single-piece carbon shell hustling seats are so restricted and hard that, for a considerable lot of us, the wounding on our hips ended up noticeable in an hour or less. Entrance and departure require such accomplishments of twisting that your creator need himself in the face getting out. What's more, it's noisy inside. The fumes has a, generally, calm mode. However, let's get straight to the point. One thing you're not going to be in a Performante is agreeable. So why trouble? Give it a chance to feel exceptional. Give it a chance to feel like enchantment.